Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB We're Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter. I am a reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and Thredup, and a few others I'm dabbling with now, along with sending boxes into Thredup and hoarding some stuff for reel-to-reel. So if you're interested in reseller content, tips and tricks and haul videos, then do me a favor and think about hitting that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. Today happens to be Thredup Tuesday, and I'm going to give you the rundown, and we're going to do something a little different. So I have decided I am going to break down and pay $26.99 to have my box, get a label, get my returns for $10.99, and do the $16.99 on expediting. And we're going to see how quickly it gets processed, because I've sent 2 boxes in more than 2 weeks ago. They're not going to be processed now all the way till September. And I have another 2 boxes that just arrived. They're not due to get in until September. So I figured I'll throw some of my summer stuff together and give this a whirl. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm going to throw in this box. I'm trying to keep it to summer thoughts because they're going to check it in immediately, hopefully. And hopefully I'll start getting some sales, because I had 0 again this week. So that's 2 weeks in a row of 0 sales on Thredup. Now I have very little left there. That's one of the reasons why I want to get a box in. So, all right, let's start. This is BCBG Max Azaria, however you say it. I'm sure I pronounce it wrong, but I've heard it both ways. So anyway, I am going to send this little black dress in. They value it really high, again, because it's sleeveless, and it should go as a cocktail. It should be great dollars. Okay, I'm really debating on trying this on. If they reject it or doesn't sell, I guess I'll keep it. But this is a canard, and this is gorgeous. If you haven't watched my videos before, when I say value, when you look at the Thredup site, you're going to look at not the dollar that they have it listed for sale, but the black that has a slash through it. That's what they usually value. That's what I say the value is. It's like close to what the original is. And you can mark your prices up, and you need to mark your prices up at least 20%, and it allows it to do up to 20% below the value of it. So they value this at like 89, so that should be a good payout. If they value it any lower, I guarantee you I will be taking that one back. All right, and I'm hoping I can fit all of this into one box. It does weigh enough, but my box is a little bit smaller than what I normally use. So this is an Ann Taylor size 6. It's just a color blocked sheath dress. I have a Michael Kors. This is nice, lightweight, extra small, long sleeve dress in paisley. This is Danny and Nicole 6 Petite. Really cute, black lace, sleeveless, almost like a little fit and flare. All right, this is Dang Mag. All right, and they had a 3/4 sleeve blouse that they had listed for $190. So this is an Anthropologie brand, so it looks like they value them pretty high. So I am going to send this little button-down skirt in. I'm trying to mix up my box and put in a lot of different levels. So some of them are going to be higher, some of them are going to be a lot lower. Like this is a Synergy, and it is size 1, but it's like lightweight nautical theme. I'm sure I could probably get it to sell, but I need to make sure my boxes are making some money too, so that I can pay for that $30 that it's going to cost me. This is a White House Black Market, extra small, sleeveless top. Send that in. This is an Ann Taylor Loft, new with tags. It is a wrap top, long sleeve with a little peplum, really super cute in the striping. So I am going to send that in. I have to keep saying I'm going to send, do I? All right, this one happens to be, I think, another White House Black Market, right? White House Black Market, size 8, cotton skirt. I've tried sending this one in, it was rejected, so I'll send it again. This is a cabbie, really super cute, striped tank in yellow and white. Ivana Trump and extra small. Hopefully I don't have a whole bunch of extra smalls either. I tried to vary the sizes, and normally I would vary the season, but they're so far behind and I'm going to pay so much. I want to make sure I'm putting in the season. This is a size 16 R&M Richards. So I've had one formal, like, or a wedding dress sell, and it was great. This one is just a Jessica Howard size 16, but they'll should list it as a cocktail, which will give me more money. It's beautiful in silver. Okay, again, just something hopefully to sell quick. A Zenergy size 0, and these are like little workout pants, and they're crop. And it's purple, not blue. They've got all the buttons and snaps, elastic waist. So this is a gorgeous dress. This is an Anne Klein, and it's a size 10, so it's a good size, and it is to die for gorgeous. So yes. Now, one of the reasons why I'm going to expedite too is that I have a whole bunch of boxes that will be coming back to me of all the items that didn't sell. So once you start doing this, you're going to have like a continuous circle of boxes. And hopefully you get less and less back. This one happens to be another BCBG Max Azaria, size medium, in this beautiful coral color, little sundress. So yes. And so I will be able to box things up faster because I'll already have the stock here and available. And just keep sending it in. This is the Betsy Johnson size 4, front exposed zipper, lace fit and flare in navy. So yes, and I like to have more than one box going at a time, so that way I can utilize my retrieval dollars smartly. Is that a word? It's not a word. Whatever. More logically. Okay, anyway, let's move on. You know what? I have to look this one up. It says Willow and Clay extra small. I believe they do value this one kind of high, and it is this cute like crocheted boho, but I need to look that one up first. This is Ann Taylor Loft size 4. Perfect for the season. They're more of, yeah, like a hiking kind of pant. So I'm going to stick those. I have Ralph Lauren green label, Ralph Lauren, sorry, green label, size 6. This cotton, really cute drop waist skirt, and kind of like a nautical theme. Get that in for summer. This top has like a little bit of a nautical theme and is J. McLaughlin, size small. Really cute. Isn't that cute? This is a Traveler's Chico, size 2. Nice long, I don't know if it's listed as a swimsuit cover or a sweater, but yeah. Cute. This is August Reed, size medium, like linen top, sleeveless, has this embroidery detail. This is my Maggie London size 6 dress. Ooh. This is Alan B size 2. Just depending, I'll put this one aside because it's a red. Might send this more towards in the I don't care box because red will go better for the holidays, like Christmas. And, you know, I can always put that in at that point. This is a Donna Rico size 12. Really pretty in colors. The dress. All right. This one is Berry J. It is a vintage piece. It's got cloth, size 10, strapless, fit and flare, cocktail, pleated, really cute. This is Eddie Bauer, extra large skirt. Right. A Torrid, size 4, flowy peasant top. Okay, this again is BCBG Max Azaria, size medium, really pretty, and that trending color. Could go for fall. It's lightweight though, with the scoop neck. It does have its belt. I'm going to stick it in, I think, this box. It has roll tab sleeves. Cynthia Steph, I don't even know. Steffe. Oh. Size 12, 100% silk. Back exposed zipper. Some of these you're going to see in the recent hauls. I decided, yeah, I need to just pull and put whatever I could that was summer together and see how well it did. White House Black Market silk skirt, size 6. This is J. Jill linen, size large, button-down colored shirt. This is Karen Kane, size small. You know what? I don't know. Her skirt actually wasn't listed as high as what it had originally been valued at, but or shirt. So her skirt wasn't valued very high. So I'll set this one aside just in case I have room, and it comes up good dollars. This is a loft outlet. So like, maybe a max of like $25, but it's definitely more of a summer dress. So I'm going to get that in. This is my Trina, sorry. Romper with pockets, so I'll get that in. It's like a halter romper. This one is lightweight, and Susan Betro, 1X SB. So it's like this, I don't know, goth baby doll dress. This is Tarte. And yes, I don't know, maybe I tore 2 boxes apart to make this box because it feels like or some of these are rejects. Anyway, it's a little dress. I'm going to send that in. Who are you? Who are you? Haley by Adriana Papel. I'm going to get this in. It is long, but it is perfect for wedding season. Formal. See the body cutouts. Not something necessarily you'll wear in the winter, but it is floor length. Okay, this is new with tags. Hinge little jean skirt. This is Tahari Arthur S. Levine, size 10. I have like a little formal tank along with its jackets. And you know, I've been listing my jackets and my tops separately on my Poshmark closet because that's how Thredup does it. And so far I did sell a jacket and I still have the shirt. So, you know, not everybody I guess wants both matching. So I got the matching blazer, size 10. Really nice summery color. Okay. Then I have Chico's. This is a size 2 and it's just a silk skirt, fun and flowy, lightweight. All right. And then again, if there is room, I have this Holly and Latte. They've already rejected this item. I don't know. I will take a look over again. Maybe it's not worth me sending it in. This is Adriana Papel. What size are you? Size 4. Lightweight, sleeveless. So I'm going to send this in. I have a Donna Rico. This is an old tag. What size are you? Size 6, I think. But really pretty colors. So I'll send this in. Talbot's 20W sheath dress, white with a black stripe. It is pretty heavy, but white is definitely a summer color, so I want to get it out. Then I do have a pair of Chico's jeans, Chico's Platinum, 2.5 short. See how those go. We'll stick those in the box. So anyway, that is my rundown. Everything's expiring. No boxes are due to be checked in for a long time, so I'm doing the breakdown. I did evaluate. If the box does as good as the majority of my boxes by mixing up the items, I should make at least $100. If not, then yeah, it'll be time to start evaluating. But again, I've only been doing this since like March. I do pay attention to a lot of things that are going on, and I'm trying to make the best of it. So let's see how this turns out. Hopefully this will get listed, and it will have lots of good sales on it. I also plan on doing another one, so stay tuned. You'll see my next boxing up. If I have enough summer items. I have to wait till my other ones come back. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.